everybody, I am back again. And then off, and then on again, and then off, and then on again. Anywho, I was in school, and that needed my full attention, so I could not do any of this stuff. I just didn't have time. But now that that's over, and I'm trying to get back into everything, I know it's a Monday, which is a random day to upload a video, but shit, I'm just gonna upload whenever I want to. This is my damn channel. So today, we're doing a tutorial on this look right here, using the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I love this palette. So as a lot of you know, if you've been subscribed to me for a while, Urban Decay holds a special place in my heart because they were the first like prestige brand that I ever got into, and that like just really got me into makeup. So yeah, Urban Decay just, I love them, and they can never do any wrong. With me, I have an entire drawer in my like vanity that's only Urban Decay palettes, literally, and it's full. I think the only Naked palette that I don't have is the Naked Heat, and that's only because I don't wear warm tones that ever. So I've been trying to get into more like looks that I normally wouldn't do, which is kind of where this look came from. The only thing that I have to say about Urban Decay is that a lot of their stuff is very dark. So, you know, there's a lot more kind of darker tones than lighter tones or anything like that. So a lot of the looks generally that I go for anyway are darker looks. I like using purple a lot. So a lot of it's really smoked out and really dark and everything. So I decided to go with something just a little more lighter, which is something different than what I kind of normally go for when it comes to combinations of colors. So I wanted to do something different. I did already do a tutorial on a different look using the same palette, but it was just a mini tutorial on my Instagram. So if you wanted to see that, it is NordenCabinap12 on Instagram. So feel free to follow me and check out my short videos. So yeah, let's get right on into the tutorial. In with Still Shot, and I am using my Sigma E25 blending brush. We're going to pack this into the crease. Next, I'm going to take one of my Luxie 227T brushes. This is the one that came in one of my Boxycharms. And I'm going to go in with Hell Ride, and I'm going to blend that underneath Still Shot. I love these two colors together. And then I'm just going to go back in with that Sigma blending brush. Oh, the sun's starting to go down. It's messing with my lighting. Just blend those two colors together. Boom. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is, so the first thing that I did when I was doing the cut crease is that I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I used the color Breakaway, which is the lightest color that's in the palette. However, it ended up looking more yellow than what I wanted it to, so I erased that and then decided to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I like that way better the way that it turned out. So we're going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to create that cut crease. I kind of naturally create a cut crease just because it's, I don't know, I don't necessarily have like hooded eyes or lids, but it's a really defined crease that I have already, so it tends to kind of blend out that way anyway. And it's not perfect, I'm just blending it with my finger. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going into the color Breakaway, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. Gotta lift the palette for this. It's like a paintbrush. Dip and dab. Dip and dab. Have you ever had any issues with cut creases and you want to cheat? I actually have a video that shows you how to get the perfect cut crease every single time, and that is literally just using an eyelash curler. So if you wanted to see that, then check that out. Now I'm going to go into the color Punk with my Luxie 207T blending brush, and we're going to pack this into the outer corner. So I'm concentrating this color more on the outer edge, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend those colors together. So right now it's just a matter of really like placing the color and then blending it out. So to blend it out, I'm taking my favorite Sonia Kashuk blending brush. This literally is in every single video ever. And it doesn't have any color on it, so I'm just going to use this to blend it out. Okay, so now what I want to do is I pretty much just want to start from the beginning and go over all of the same colors again using the same brushes that I used when I first put them on. Okay, now for the fun part is to put in that glitter on the crease. Now I don't have a glitter liner, so I had to get creative. So what I did was I used some MAC Fix Plus on a definer brush. This is pretty much like an eyeliner brush. And put that up closer. Focus! There we go. And this is a Coastal Scents brush. Yep. Okay. And then I used my Makeup Forever Starlit powder number 13 and just kind of created it using that. So I'm going to spray my brush. Excuse me. And then I'm going to belch. And then I'm just going to dip that into the Starlit powder and create that line. Now for Le eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I'm using and I am loving is this Pretty Vulgar little pot, like eyeliner pot. This also came with one of my Boxycharms. And I love it. It is literally like the only one that's lasted as long, like eyeliner that's lasted pretty much the entire night without disappearing pretty much at all in my waterline. So that's awesome. So I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics definer brush and do my eyeliner. Just dip it on in and start lining. You know I love my cat eyes. Now we're going to do the bottom lashes, underneath the lashes here. Now pretty much I'm going to do the exact same colors that I did up here, minus the lid color. So first we're going to start with the Still Shot, lay that down, and I'm taking that from the outer corner all the way in. Next going into Hell Ride, and I'm only going to take this about halfway through and then just have it go closer to the lashes once I get to the inner corner. Okay, and then next I'm going to go into Punk and keep that to the outer edges. Okay, and literally in between all that, I just wiped this on my hands and went into the next color, nothing crazy. And then I'm gonna go back into the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner and just line my waterline with that same brush that I used earlier. Alright. Okay, now for mascara and some, no, now for curling my lashes and then mascara. And for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes. This also came in a Boxycharm. I love this mascara. It's awesome. It's one of my new favorites. It's like number 2 right after my Benefit Bad Gal Lash. The original, not Bad Gal Bang, because I don't like it. Assume the position. Alright, we need some lipstick in this bitch. Can't tell if I want to go with a nude or bold. I think I want to keep the focus on the eyes, so wait, let me spray my face before I forget, because it's okay if I forget to spray after my lipstick, but instead of using MAC, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray because I love this one and I love the mist on it. Huh. So nice. Okay. Ah! Dropping shit like you knew I would. Ain't a damn thing changed. Alright. I have like an actual like organization to my madness here. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have known that I like redid my vanity desk, got some new organizing things from TJ Maxx, so that was fun, and just completely reorganized everything, and it looks so much better now. Okay, lipstick. If I can shut my yap. Alrighty, I think I'm going to use the Tartiste lip paint, and this I also got with Boxycharm. Dude, Boxycharm's the way to go. Like, so for a while there, I wasn't really too excited about all this new stuff coming out. Like, there's a lot of new shit coming out, like, always. And I just, haven't been really all that excited about it. Of course, I had to get the Urban Decay Born to Run palette because Urban Decay holds a special place in my heart. And so I was super excited about that. Knew I was going to get that. But so far I've just been surviving off Boxycharms and stuff and have gotten some really great shit. So, super excited. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, click on my link below in the description box. It is freaking amazing and it's totally worth it. Only $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. Freaking awesome. You can't beat that. So let's put this on. I love this formula, by the way. It's like the best formula ever. You know what? I'm going to prime my lips first. I'm going to use this Bite lip primer that I've had for like ever and I forget about it. So I'm going to use it. So minty. Ugh. I'm not going to line my lips. I ain't worried about it. This is seriously my favorite liquid lipstick formula. This Tartiste lip paint. It literally just glides on like silk and it just feels so nice. And throughout the day it doesn't feel like gross. Well, let me zoom you out. No, not in. Gets close, gets really close. Okay. is the look for today. Super, super fun using the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Freaking love this palette. This palette's fucking amazing. It's amazing. I like it. I do. I like it. Boom. So, do I want an inner corner highlight? I kind of feel like I do. Let's pop something in here. I love using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil for the inner corner highlight. Whatever I choose to put there. Let's put the Starlit powder. Let's just do it. Oh, where's my favorite brush? So I have this BH Cosmetics. This is the 132 brush. Just quite, you know, precise. And I like using that for my inner corner highlight. I'm just putting that in there. Whoa. Damn, does that hold some color. Let's tone that down a little bit. Yes. Okay, now we're done. So that is the look for today using the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more looks using this palette, I would not mind that. Just give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.